We didn't have a good joint or a place where the kids could really hang out, have some good food, the food that they would like, and also pocket friendly. That kind of struck my mind, and I thought, let's do something for the kids. So that's the reason, that was the point, that was the idea behind all of this venture that I am trying to do. In this today's life, nobody is really bothered to appreciate anybody. They made little efforts. These small little efforts, they definitely matters, right? So this effort was something that I really enjoyed a lot. I was very happy about that. So a lot of my friends have their kids in Kelkar College. So you all must be knowing, this my cafe is near Kelkar College, right? And what I realized from the parents is that we didn't have a good joint or a place where the kids could really hang out, have some good food, the food that they would like, and also pocket friendly. So this reminded me of my old school days, college days, where we also at a given point of time, we also never had anything close by. So that inspired me, that kind of struck my mind, and I thought, let's do something for the kids. So that's the reason, that was the point, that was the idea behind all of this venture that I am trying to do. Okay, and yeah, that's how it clicked to my mind, that let's start something for the kids which is pocket friendly, something that will quench their hunger, and of course something that is of their generation, right? They like the food that I have, the products that I have, that's something that the young generation nowadays likes. So we have a huge variety of products. So right from starting from as simple as French fries, which they would probably just want to do some kind of a time pass and have that. From French fries to momos to burgers to pizzas. We also have sandwiches, variety of sandwiches. Our special one is like the chocolate sandwich, which the young kids definitely like, right? And oh, the best part of our cafe, right, which is like, it's like booming here, which is the vada pav, the special vada pav that we have, the Thecha vada pav, which now the young generation definitely again is a choice that they make. They would love to have, just grab one and start walking and have it while they are walking as well. They don't want to sit and have it, right? So that's also one thing that we offer. It's quite famous, at least in this area. Okay, this reminds me of the first incident that had happened here. So there were 4 girls from the college who came in, and they just sat, and being Marathi girls, of course, and I am also a Maharashtrian. So they started off with, Kaki, tumi kai offer karnar? So I'm like, okay, what do you want? So they're like, je ka amala budget madhe vasil te dya. So, and since then, those girls, that day they just had vada pav, and it was yummy, right? That's what they kind of gave feedback. Since then, they are my regular customers. It's been 6+ months now, and they are coming every week. And 1 or 2 of them are such where they stay in Bhandup, which is not really close by, but they specially come here and they say, we want the Thecha vada pav, right? And we have come here especially for the Thecha vada pav. Not just the Thecha vada pav, but of course the momos. So the second set of customers who had come, they were the young kids. They were wanting to have non-veg, basically, okay. But when we said no, we have veg, so they're like, okay, let us give it a try. And they tried it, they loved it so much. Again, they are one of my regular and very loyal customers. They visit, they promote me, they share with their friends. They at times ask for parcels. There was a set of customers who literally took the product, the momo or the vada pav or the sandwich in their hand, and they clicked photos and they sent it back to me. So that was a most happiest moment that I had felt about. After getting the parcel, I don't think we wouldn't get any such customers, right? Where they would ask for parcels and then they would say, okay, let's click a picture with the product and send it back to the person who's doing it. So that gives you a lot of, boost up, motivation, and it's the moment that you really relish, that you really enjoy, because in today's life, nobody is really bothered to appreciate anybody. We have so many joints, so many, places where people can hang out. But after this, in spite of so many places and all, they made it a point. They made little efforts. These small little efforts, they definitely matters, right? So this effort was something that I really enjoyed a lot. I was very happy about that. And yes, sometimes customers come with unrealistic, demands. We shouldn't forget, everything is not always happy-go-lucky. There are bads as well, So there are customers who came up with requests or demands which were not really, which I couldn't cater to. So I felt bad. I thought of adding those things in my product list. Okay, so Misrut, Mr. Lakshman from Misrut, he approached me the very first time, and I got to know from him only that he was observing the kind of business that was the rolling that was happening. So he was observing us, and I must tell you, he's a very good business analyst, because he was analyzing the business sense. He was getting to know that I am struggling with deliveries, mostly the deliveries. So that's when he approached, and that's when he said, you can run offers. He just helped me out of the box with all promotional offers, how to promote, what are the offers, what are the products that I can, really get on the top list, right? And plus with the deliveries. So delivery is something that I think Misrut is trying now, a new thing that is coming in. But the kind of models, the business model that they are offering with deliveries is excellent, is very good. It's a win-win situation for the customer as well as for the Misrut partner, right? Wherein no loss from the end customer end, right? From our end. So Lakshman is the man who introduced Misrut here. If you want to tell me, I can just use some other words. Yeah. So my whole purpose of setting up this kind of a structure was to have more of parcel systems, takeaway systems. As you can see, my setup is such where I don't really offer seating system too much. I don't have seating. I just offer people to sit for their parcels, take the parcels, and they can just enjoy the food at home or wherever they want to, right? So yeah, parcel system is something that we are trying to promote. What was the question, by the way? So the most orders that I get from, again, is the college guys, and to your surprise, it would be the senior citizens, right? So it's a huge range, right from the college to the senior citizens, where the old age group is enjoying my vada paos. And not only just the vada paos, they like the burgers as well. I've got multiple bulk orders for burgers and vada paos, where it would be as big quantities like 100, 150 or 200 as well. So the range is huge, but yes, from the kids to the old. So all these are the, yes, and feedback from the old senior citizens is that we customize as per their taste. So vada pav, typically they would have one set of big huge vada paos, put into one container, and that's what we sell. But for the senior citizens, where they can't take too spicy stuff, they actually approach to customize it to their taste. Make it a little less spicy, have some dry chutney with it, don't give me red chutney, give me only green chutney. So things like that is something that we were amending, customizing for them. And that's what kind of attracted them. So they also became one of my loyal customers, if you have to call it like that. Handling day to day, so the application that they have given me, I can put direct counter orders on the application. Excellent. I was wanting to do that to help my inventory setup, to understand how my inventory is going. With the deliveries, like I already mentioned, they are offering delivery models such which are win-win for both the parties, right? And for promotions as well, wherein they had run an offer for Holi, I suppose it was for Holi. No, sorry, for Republic Day, right? So where they mentioned, okay, you could take a coupon and put your name in the lucky draw, and we run a lucky draw for them, right? So that lucky draw offer was also there, which they, so these are the kind of initiatives that they are taking by their own side, and helping, of course, me and my business, definitely. Yeah, I think we're going to go a long way, very long way, because if the business, the delivery model that we're talking about works for us, we'll have a partnership as long as my business lasts. Yes, definitely it will. Definitely, because my staff is a mix, like you said, multilingual, right? So I can converse in three languages: Hindi, English, Marathi, a little bit of Gujarati, Punjabi. I just understand, I can't talk, right? But my staff understands only Hindi. So for them, any English communication wala customer or anybody talking in Marathi, if this is a different platform which will convert the language and make them understand the order, excellent. That is going to help, definitely. So, right, like I said, it's a young baby, just 6 months old baby. So I haven't got into technologies much yet. So I maintain my manual registers, and I enter whatever I am spending, my expenditures versus my income. For the moment, it's at that level only. I haven't gone deep dived into the ground level yet. And definitely I'm looking for some apps that will help me do this. The best thing, everybody would say that, but it's very difficult to maintain. Keep your customers happy. Come whatever, keep your customers happy. If you want to go out of the way to do something for the customers, definitely do it. The setup will not really matter much if you are a very good customer service guy, right? The taste is the second important thing. It's not second, but they go hand in hand basically. If you maintain your taste of food, right, then the customers will not really bother where your setup is, how your setup is. They'll definitely come and pick it up and they'll go if they don't have place to sit. But taste and the service that you're giving, these are the two main important things that you have to have at least in the food business. Please do visit JMR and try out our excellent tasty food, like we call it, delicious food. Yes, thank you.